So hello from a very cold but quite sunny Helsinki. So in about 5 hours time I was due to be flying back to Heathrow from Helsinki to review the A350 Finnair Air Lounge product. Turns out Finnair had other ideas and that flight is now cancelled. So I'm here for 24 hours in an airport hotel. So I said to the receptionist this morning, what's good to do? And normally I was expecting a response of sit by the fire, go find some nice Finnish food, have a beer maybe. No, she said, go and see the Finnish Aviation Museum, which includes directions of going through these very woods. Just walk through the woods as you do. So here we go. I've been walking for 10 minutes. She said it was about 10 minutes away. I've gone through 2 sets of woods, and I'm yet to see the elusive Finnish Aviation Museum. If I find it, and it's a big if, I'll take you on a whistle-stop tour. Come along for the ride. After walking for what seemed to be a very Finnish 10 minutes, I finally started to see signs for the Finnish Aviation Museum. The Finnish Aviation Museum is located just off Kohumantie on the airport circular and is easily accessible from most of the airport hotels. Now, I was up for the walk, but I did find out en route that you can actually use the free airport shuttle bus and get off at the Clarion Hotel Aviopolis, where the museum is just a 2-minute walk from there. I know it looks like it's in the middle of nowhere, but actually it's fairly easy to get to in reality. The opening times do vary depending on the season, so either screenshot this now or drop the lovely staff a message through the website before your intended visit. Once you go through the main entrance, this brings you into the reception area. Now the staff here speak both Finnish and English and are really helpful. The entrance fee as of posting this video is just €14 and that includes a copy of their museum map. You can also get free entrance into the museum though if you have the museum, ICOM or AITM cards. On site there's clean toilets and a wonderful cafe serving an array of food and drinks. They also have a very large screen with a live stream of all aircraft arriving and departing into the nearby Helsinki Airport. I think Gabriel Lee from Flight Radar 24 would certainly approve of this. The museum is home to an impressive 9,600 items, and the first hangar that you walk into is primarily dedicated to military aircraft. There's lots to see in here, including gliders, planes, engine and aircraft parts, seating and other military-related paraphernalia. There's also this impressive gantry that allows you to see everything from above. Whether you're an AvGeek, a history buff or just someone looking for something unique to do in Helsinki, there's plenty to discover in here. But just remember that this is one of 2 exhibition halls that are completely unheated, so warm clothing is recommended during the cold weather. Now, between the first and second exhibition halls is this simulator area. They have a free simulator of a Saab 35 Draken that you can try, as well as simulator experiences that you can rent, including those from Boeing, Messerschmitt, Diamond and Airbus. Now this second hangar primarily focuses on commercial aviation and has 2 stunning aircraft on display in the centre. One is a Car Air Douglas DC-3A in absolutely exceptional condition, and the other is an Aero, now Finnair, Convair Metropolitan passenger plane that you can actually board and walk through. This was a really cool experience and was like travelling back in time. There's also lots of other interesting bits, including a vintage hot air balloon, air traffic control workstation, and various cockpits from over the years. Okay, so I'm not an aviation geek, but this is pretty epic to be fair. This is the commercial hangar and it's got some incredible examples of history gone by, and to be fair, my hotel receptionist was right. You know, even if you're not massively into aviation, this is a really cool sort of blast from the past. and it's certainly a really good place to kill a couple of hours in here. You know, they've got flight simulators, they've got this fantastic hangar of sort of more modern aircraft, they've got a military hangar, and it's just really well put together. So I highly recommend the Finnish Aviation Museum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss another upload. Plenty more aviation, travel and hotel content coming your way. See you in the next one.